We low-key got lost.
Lamini, winner of the Dramatic Range on Show.
And the food! Drum roll! So beautiful! Hello cuties, I forgot to introduce the vlog. I'm literally sitting on the floor. We are waiting by the garage for the taxis to come. We are going to Umdelebele Heritage. It's my first time going, so let's go. Enjoy the vlog, period. I hope you're a cutie and you have subscribed. I'll see you in the continuation of the video, period. I don't want to really say much, so yeah, I hope I get to capture everything. My phone is on 91%, so I think I might be able to. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys. Bye, Bo. Sorry, vlog. Sorry. To the toilet before leaving, period. It's actually at McDonald's because there's no toilet in the garage. We haven't left. It's probably going for 11 now. I'll see you on the road. Guys, why do they have this mirror in the toilet? So a person is sitting here looking at themselves, like peeing. Anyways. Let's not make sure. Told you to look at past 11. We're going to PMP. What time are we gonna get there? What time are we gonna come back? My taxi my pango 8. And I'm not gonna Uber. Got the front seat. Hey boo, ya vlog lah. We low-key got lost. Now we're trying to get back on the roadsy.
Unqedelani? Ubona le eseduze kwethu. Mina ngizwa le.
Yo, how mang nisipho ngesingaka. Ime kahle la. Yo, damn. So spiggy, period. We are here. Guys, we have arrived. Oh, Emma. How about the inside? Sige, pika jalana? Bose? Bose sige pilana? Golden. What? Angas nam. Kona loko god.
And PMP honey.
PMB, darling.
Ayaya Scotchville, ayaya. Ayaya Machichi, ayaya. Satanani. Ayangizwa kahle, ngithi la sibhekela sena. Sonke sizidwa. Ayaya Sitombi, ayaya. Ayangizwa. Ayaya Sitombi, ayaya. Njengamanje sicela ikusasa elinhle lisondele. Oh laba sebefikile. Sicela sibaphindele. Sicela 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ikusasa elihle.
La tabene volonté, oh la tabene volonté, amaya. Oh la tabene volonté, amaya. Oh la tabene volonté, amaya. Tabelele volonté, amaema. Oh, maema, maema. Oh, maema, maema. Oh, la tabelele volonté, amaema.
Ngiyaphila naze nabahle mphithe angisebahle ngitshontshe nisangithi lapho mbumbulu yalazi ijadu athi hakashongo athi hakashongo ezuleni phezulu hathushilo hakashongo what's my name? Hesilona, Mama Tagasho, Mama Tagasho, Hesileki, Hesiloshi, Hoaka. The guy, come here. uyawathinta amazi eziyo zenkosi abashoko abathasho emphesathi ushi walandabasho uyawathinta awasilo that's what I want to ask. Let's get told what's on the arm.
What beautiful people you guys are. Wow. So the School of Fashion Pietermaritzburg, established in 1965, is the oldest leading fashion institution in South Africa. The college, under the principal Priscilla Beaker, having fulfilled a vital role in Pietermaritzburg business community, has successfully educated and trained thousands and thousands and thousands of people in the fashion arena. Students have been winning South African competitions for many decades, notably to range on show and top 25 finalist of the Hollywood Bits Durban July. Her label is Banotile. Sabaliwe Dlamini, winner of the dramatic range on show at the School of Fashion Pietermaritzburg, proudly South African show. Her label is Litro Corporation. Beryl Sotole, top 10 winner of the Hollywood Bits Durban July. Noluthando Moloi, winner of Best Contemporary Range on Show. Her label is NM Creations. Nokwanda Ndlovu, winner of Love to Love, Most Creative Collection on Show 2023, top 10 Hollywood Bits and Most Creative, third place at the Dundee July this year. Smangele Mbanjwa, winner of Design of the Year, first place, top 10 Hollywood Bits Durban July and Star Designer. Lindo Matibula, winner of Hollywood Bits Durban July many years in a row. She was featured as the cover of KZN Tourism magazine and featured on the BBC. That won 22nd place at the Dundee July this year. Her label is Linda On Creations. And Kish Ramadao, whose label is Designs.
Baby, calm down. Yo, this somebody, he put him out. Hold down. Yo, you sweet life, Fanta. If I tell you, say I love you, come play for me now. Hold down, not tell me
Yeah, but now just this place is so nice. There's jumping castles over there. We're going to go get food over here.
We're standing in a line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Nuhatjebe kubekela ayasheli yakona unoyana elaseheri kwala ekitshela undumiso elika baba uDlaba libheka empumalanga lihamba nje lapho ngishilo ubheka nje lapha lishiya imoto lapha ke yamajaji lokho lapho njalo lokho ngoba amazi ngengoma lingakona lesa speed elisuke ngaso nangolomfuthe lapha ngawo lenze loqeda ba ukufuna njalo konke kusuka balanda ayaziza ayaphezulu kusuka iy'nyoni ezizimela nafanele kuphela njalo emsayidele phansi zonke iy'nyawo lapho khona zonke iy'ndawo manje naphana iyaphenduka manje indawo home straight babuhunda iyaqhubeka ilokhu ikhulile iy'gebe uyabona ngone kuthuka lapha amankampane namalanda ngendlela lapha elimzake ngakhona into eyenzeka kanjena manje-ke ekuyona laphana 150 laphana meters mark nala-ke manje la liza-ke lidlulile liza ku-100 meters mark natsha-ke manje la libheka ku-50 meters ngeke manje muntu lehashi-ke lapha uphula mngoma
awusuka madoda akayihlangana imvuma namhlanje uphula mngoma ubhula wabhulela wayishiya iy'nkabi
yebo uphula mngoma uyena uthatha umjaho kulandele-ke uShakira lamahashi-ke laphana-ke ngeke yena-ke likopha umlando yabona leya mfutho lela hayi
So, cuties, this is our lunch. We have Coca-Cola. We have an apple. And the food. Drum roll. We have. What is this, girl? Like. And then we have the meat. At least I love rolls, so yeah. But what is this?
Mr. DJ,
Hey, oh. Anyways, at least in Sotias, I'm still full from the Ikuinya Lilia. Look at the horses! They're so cute! They said you can win this car, so I'm gonna go register.
siyabhula kuthi manje yoshona sivala ukugcina
ezinhleleko zonke izinto ephathini yawo ayikho abantu efuna ukuphuma phambili njengamanje bayibambile abafana abayi-PM atasambeni madoda siyephambili siyokha imali iseyisinyomoto izelana kodwa iphikelela laphana ezansi ibemanqofika laphana iphikelela sekuphela ndaba
ngoba-ke la mahashi-ke ayahamba sobona-ke manje la ngoba adlula-ke ku-100 laphana-ke meters ithi sibone-ke manje iyashikelela ingozi imali vele iyashikela seherigcwala ngababamdamase nala lokulamathele njalo ngeke libanje muntu nansi imali eyoshaya-ke manje lapha intambo 2 meters bayishaya intambo imali ilona-ke lapha eliyithathile-ke eliyashi nala liphenduka waphenduka nalo-ke lapha umfana omdala ingozi imali
ayikunzima
liyayazi imali
abantu abakolo ulethize kwayo laphana umfundisi ukuthi ubefikile bekunesinye emnandi lena babuthi
yebo abakhona la ehashike ephuma nje la
You guys are wanna own a horse.
kakhulu umjaho la 1600 meters umjaho-ke la oxhaswe umasipala wasebusoduze umasipala
Ukulithinta. Cha. Kodwa niyakhuluma naye nangamtshela ukuthi ngithenge uthini.
Akuvumelekanga phela mina ngizokutshela sokuthi akuvumelekanga ukuthi basi la nalokho lokubamba nathi nje kahle kahle uma ubona ukuthi bawo mapha la
Oh.
Guys, I also picked up a video. She is so beautiful. Please look at this. Oh, you are so beautiful. And then like a little turnaround. The hair. Ah, so beautiful. And can you just say hi, cuties?
Hi, kitties.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are enjoying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Khona agijima vele manje asizobuya. Ngiyabonga.
I had to ask if I can touch it, and he said I can. But I'm waiting for them to come from there because they just finished running. And if it's done running, it's more calm. But now you can also see he's going to go run now, and he's not calm. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Hopefully they don't leave me, because the girlies are still at the stage, and I just want to touch the horses, guys. Honestly speaking, like I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but to touch a horse, even just like, you know, I know they won't let me like go on it, but I want to touch it at least. You guys, this is her horse. Oh wow. This is her horse, like this girly, this is her horse. Hey, ngisabhizi, sorry. Ngiyacela bandla. Ngicela omunye umuntu, ngiyacela.
Hayi inkinga mama. Aniphatha amafoni rand. Ngelinye ilanga kodwa impilo.
Angithi ngisabhizi.
Mhlawumbe ngeke uphathe, mhlawumbe ngayiphatha, hayi shoot.
Okay. Yo guys, hey. Yo bandla. Like, bro, what do you mean? That's her horse. Ngivumele ngithathe. Ngeliza ngingenza lutho. Oh mama, salihle. Manje niluke nina yini pho? Niluke nini? Liluko ba like umnikazi walo? Oh mama, salihle. Seligijimile? Yo. Lazalikhulu.
You guys, guys, this is the horse I was touching, number 26. He's so kind. I even asked to take a picture and I didn't like the picture, and he was like, oh, you can come in and take another picture. And he was just like, the bodyguard was just like, no, you don't have a tag. And I'm like, how? You allowed me the other time. Anyways, I think he's going. Yeah, he's going now. So I'm gonna go watch him.
sithi abantu mababona ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani eziphikela laphana ezantsi manje zizothetha laphana ikhona lokuqala eziyaqala bhaka zisixuku manje bayiboni ethele kakhulu phambi kwezinye kodwa ngabona umntwana ebhusezini eliphezulu kakhulu
uqala bawuthi isozosutha manje sizobona basibenza ngapha mabel wozani phela guys so mabel ngiyavlogga nje uthatha uyikothatha wena Yes, number 1 Lona, number 3 Lona. Number 2 Lona. Sondel. Person number 1 manje. Yes.
Okay, number 2. Very close, good. You must cut them up.
Guys, I gave number 1 his trophy. We're about to go now, so I don't know when I'll catch you guys, but I hope you enjoyed. I'm Manona Semlazi. No, person number 1. Umuso person number 2. Umuso person number 3. So Sonika Zaba winile.
Ahí está, sí, creo que okay, next. Number 2.
Number one. No, number one. Also ein Dom.
We're number one.
Sondela, no. Smile abo. And that's a wrap. Yo, period. So, ay, man, something big. Are we going now? Hey, home time munch. For real now. Guys, put yourself first.
Sitake